This is no joking matter. What is the max speed limit on a dual carriageway? A. 70 miles per hour, or B. 80 miles per hour, or perhaps C. 60 miles per hour. Slow down, Joker. If you said B, it's A. 70 miles per hour. When should you use hazard warning lights? A. When double parking. Maybe it's B. When broken down and causing an obstruction. Or possibly C. When driving on a motorway. It's B. When broken down and causing an obstruction. You will get this one. What is the stopping distance at 70 miles per hour? A. 120 meters. Or B. 96 meters. Or do you think it's 86 meters? It's B. 96 meters. Hope you passed.